in my home, at least.
Yeah.
I was pushed to buy other equipments like air fry, where you can, have shallow fried.
Everybody is very health conscious, especially on the weight side.
French fries खाने मगर air fry की खाने. I think this is what the public demands. So be it. I mean, I'm okay with that. Okay. Now, when you make a galette, very important step, you need to have oil in your palm so that the mixture does not stick. Okay. There's the plate. And yes, so I'm going to just rub some oil, and I'm going to rub some oil on the plate as well.
Okay. So a guest is asking us that, what are we making? So Chef, why don't you do a recap of?
So we are making shakarkandi ke kebab for dinner, and I would rather say shakarkandi or chole ke kebab. And now chole is from the leftover that I had in the fridge, so I'm also using and not throwing away anything. And this is also one of the signature recipes at Spectra where I work. And yeah, so I felt like cooking something from that restaurant. It is such a gorgeous restaurant, and mix a little bit of my style to it. Yeah. And that's what I'm making. So
you see, once this is over, everybody should head down to Spectra to try.
Oh yeah, absolutely. So patty banane ke baad, all you need to do is shape it. So you can, just roll it on your palm. So that's the way to roll it, and then you can just tap it again.
Okay. So Chef, many a times, when we are making patties, either be it with sweet potatoes or aloo or any other ingredient, most of us, sometimes feel have this challenge of, it breaking apart. So what is that, ingredient that we can use so that it's not this case?
See, like I said, जब भी हम इसका डो या मसाला तैयार कर रहे हैं, उसकी बाइंडिंग बहुत अच्छी होनी चाहिए. तो अगर वो बाइंडिंग होगा, जैसे कि लड्डू की तरह भी बाइंडिंग है, तो कभी भी आपका पेड़ा टूटेगा नहीं, कभी भी आपके कबाब टूटेंगे नहीं, चाहे वो आप राजमा के कबाब बना रहे हो. सी अनलेस एंड अनटिल इट इज अ कबाब जो कि मीट कबाब है, जहाँ पे नेचुरल फैट है जो पूरे मिक्सचर को पकड़ के रखता है, दैट्स अ सेपरेट स्टोरी. बट आप वेजिटेरियन जब भी बना रहे हैं, इट हैज टू बी बाइंडेड वेल. सो पोटैटो कैन बी यूज्ड, स्वीट पोटैटो कैन बी यूज्ड, पनीर कैन बी यूज्ड, any flour can be used. जैसे अभी इसमें हमने मकई का आटा यूज करा है, so you can use any flour.
Okay.
So you can make the size of your galettes the way you want.
Okay.
Somebody's asking what are the major binding agents. So I just shared. You can use potato as a binding agent. You can use sweet potato, जो कि हम इस रेसिपी में यूज कर रहे हैं. You can use arrowroot. You can use makai ka aata.
So Chef, people who are who are vegetarians, maybe egg is also a good binding agent.
Yes, egg is also a good binding agent. For anybody who's okay to eat non-vegetarian kebabs, you can add egg as well. Okay. See, that's how it looks like.
Okay. And have you greased the plate?
Yes, I've greased the plate a little bit so that it does not stick.
Okay.
So one last step before we fry it, you can also coat these kebabs with whatever nuts that you want.
Okay.
So you can either blend walnut and cashew nut and raisins, or you can use sesame seeds, or you can use rava, yani ki suji, that can also be used, or you can use chilgoze, or you can use the melon seeds.
Okay.
So I'm going to show you one with suji. ये ना you have tried, Ritika, if you remember, चना चार मगज की टिक्की जो हमारे मेन्यू में है.
Oh yeah.
I think that is amazing.
Oh yeah. My I think that's one of the favorites for people who come to the hotel or the restaurant.
Yeah. So I want all of you to see this. Okay.
Okay. So you've gently coated it with.
Gently coated it. Yeah, not too much. The idea is not to coat too much.
Okay.
Yeah. You see how beautiful it looks.
Yes.
Not too much. And then I'm going to take one more plate. And then I'm going to add some sesame seeds to it.
Okay. So this is another version.
That's another version. So same method. Same, just roll it like a coin. So the shape comes out nice. You see?
Looks very pretty.
यार बस मैं virtually खिला नहीं सकता. I would have loved you and everybody else who's watching.
Oh yeah.
Try. Yeah. So time to shallow fry them. Do we have any questions till now?
I think most of the questions we've answered, but we have Chef Bhasin, who is our executive chef, and he has asked for it.
I just told Ritika, chef, that virtually I can't give it to try. That is the only failure that we have in this session. So you can add olive oil, you can add desi ghee, you can add sunflower oil, whatever oil you want.
So what is the oil that you've used?
I've used olive oil. थोड़ा सा चीटिंग कर लिया मैंने. छोले बनाए थे देसी घी में मैंने. और अभी रेसिपी में अलग से मैंने कुछ और ऑयल नहीं डाला है. But while I'm cooking, I'm using olive oil because जब मैं उसको खाऊंगा या किसी family member को दूंगा, so they will smell olive oil, so they will say it is very healthy. But indirectly उनके body के अंदर nutrition जा रहा है, energy और शक्ति जा रही है, which is in the form of देसी घी. थोड़ी सी cheating allowed है.
Totally.
So finally, before putting it on the pan, we will just tap the gallets one more time and give them a final shape. Make sure the pan is not very, very hot.
Okay.
Because your gallets will burn otherwise.
So you've kept the flame on medium heat.
Medium heat, yeah. And I'm going to add 2 without that as well, just for everybody to see in case they don't want any coating.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So this is without any coating. This is with suji and this is with sesame seed. So you have to be very gentle when you give it a turn. Let me just turn it.
So, chef, for how much time should you keep it on one side?
Maybe a minute maximum. See, because everything is cooked. Sweet potato is boiled, chickpeas are cooked, and any other medium is also cooked. Like brown onion is also fried. So there is nothing literally that you are cooking actually on the flame. All you're giving it is a nice color, and
That's to be like crispy on the outside.
Correct.
And chef, do you also suggest that the gallets should be of a particular size, or if they're too thin, they will be a little difficult to handle?
Yeah, that's a good question actually. You see, this is the color that has come.
Wow.
So I would prefer this size of gallets, not too thin because it will become too crispy otherwise. And not too thick because then probably you will have color from on the top, but अंदर से वो पकेगा नहीं.
Okay.
You can just pat these small little gallets, and you can talk to them. How are you doing while cooking is happening?
Before you enjoy them.
Before you enjoy them. So they're not sticking to the pan. So I'll just turn off the heat. और बाकी जो heat है, it will penetrate through the pan's heat, which is also called carry-over cooking.
Okay.
So let me just find out a plate.
So chef, our patty kebabs are ready, but when it comes to accompaniment.
Sorry, come again.
Our kebabs are ready, but in terms of our accompaniments, sauce or something to go along with the kebab.
Yeah, so what I've done is I've kept some mint chutney ready for these kebabs already.
Okay.
So we're going to serve with mint chutney. Just give me a minute. Yeah. So all I need is to just take this gallet. So how do we know that it is done? You see this nice color towards it?
Brown color on the outside.
Ha. Nice and simple. ओहो, मोहम्मद रफी के गाने और शकरकंदी के कबाब. There can be no deadlier combination. I love Mohammad Rafi songs.
I think you are a big fan of all our old songs.
Yeah, big time. Chaat masala. Let me show it to you. Look at that.
Wow.
Very simple. And then finally, all you need to do is just sprinkle some chaat masala on top.
Chaat masala on top.
See, if you want, you can have